Windows 2 was the second version of Microsoft Windows, released on the 9th of December 1987, around 2 years after its predecessor, Windows 1. Windows 2, like Windows 1 before it, ran on top of Microsoft's older command line operating system, MS-DOS. Windows 2 introduced important features to the Windows operating system that would form a fundamental part of its image in the future. One of these was the ability for application windows to overlap each other on the screen. Windows 2 also introduced the minimize and maximize terminology that is still used today to show and hide windows. Windows 2 came in two different variants that ran on different types of CPU. The first variant, simply called Windows 2, was the more basic of the two, working similarly to Windows 1. The second variant, named Windows 386, came with some more advanced features, such as the ability to run several MS-DOS programs simultaneously, rather than needing to constantly suspend and resume unused programs in the background. Around the time of Windows 2's release, computers were beginning to become a part of everyday life for an increasing number of people. With this in mind, Microsoft released the first versions of its Word and Excel programs, later to become part of the Microsoft Office suite, for Windows, beginning with Windows 2. Like its predecessor, Windows 1, Microsoft supported Windows 2 until the 31st of December 2001. With 14 years of support from Microsoft, it is officially the second longest supported version of Windows.